The sections also show an example of an atretic follicle, a follicle which is developed partway and then degenerated. Many primary follicles begin to grow at each ovarian cycle. Only one, well, usually only one, from the two ovaries will complete maturation and actually eventually ovulate. The others die off along the way. These atretic follicles take time to fully degenerate. They present a diversity of appearances for two reasons. First, follicles that have developed further before beginning to degenerate will give larger and more complex atretic forms. For example, secondary atretic follicles will have remains of the Zona pellucida and perhaps thecal remnants, whereas follicles that began to generate as early as primary follicles won't. And secondly, as atresia proceeds, the follicles become more and more degenerate. In very old atretic follicles, only a Zona pellucida and maybe remains of the Glassy membrane, which is formed from a much thickened basement membrane, are left. And you can see those here. Here is a Zona pellucida, or the remnants of a Zona pellucida, and here is a very thickened basement membrane of a previous follicle, and we call that the Glassy membrane.